If you only had 24 hours to explore a city, what would you do? Hope the kids had fun today. Apart from agriculture, another famous aspect of Yunlin is puppet theater. In Mandarin-speaking regions, Taiwan has seen puppet theater flourish. The art is closely associated with religion, as the puppet theater performance is considered a gift to God, highlighting the divine relationship between heaven, earth, and humans.
Look, the puppeteer put their hand inside a puppet, so they can have different gesture and movement during the show. And you know, this is actually comprehensive art, combining storytelling, puppetry, embroidery, painting, music, drama, and more. At Yunlin Puppet Museum, they showcase all different types of puppets and themed exhibition that allows us to understand more of the culture and tradition. But I won't dive deeper. Let's get our hands in and get creative, make our own puppet. So I'm gonna make my own puppet. I picked the character, Lala from the Teletubbies. Hope it's gonna be easy.
跟我们的化妆一样，你就是涂均匀，然后尽量同一个方向这样。
Alright, I think it's mostly dry, so we're gonna draw some eyes, some shadows around the eye contour, nose, and mouth. This is what we got so far. I think we're ready. The head part. This is really fun actually, so you can follow your mood and your feelings and kind of express yourself and how you want to draw the characters. Wow, okay. We're gonna do the costume, right?
Yes. Very good.
Very good, right? Let's take a look. Look at that.
Like this.
This is so cute, right?
You can say hello.
Oh, you're gonna teach me how to play the puppet.
Finger.
The index finger
Yes.
goes into the head.
Head, yes.
Okay.
Hello.
Oh, hi, Pepe.
Hi, Lala.
Oh, la la. It looks kind of simple, like when you're drawing something, but it's actually really hard because the paint, you have to go in one direction, otherwise it's gonna be accumulated, so it's gonna be a little grumpy, and then the shape's not gonna be even. So, especially the eyes is really hard. You have to make the iris and the pupil to make it look real. Normally, you watch the puppet show outside, but you don't get a chance to make one. See, this is a perfect place for a date night or a family gathering, so you can make your own puppet and play around with each other. Isn't that so cute?
Hello, everyone. My name is Annie.
Hello, everyone. I'm looking for my friend. Oh, hi. Is that Annie? High five, Annie.
Oh.
Is that 关羽? Hello, 关羽. Ow, ow, it hurts, it hurts. Is that Minnie? Hello, Minnie. Hi. Oh, we almost kissed, okay. Hi. So, everything on stage is so different from the backstage. So you have to go really slow, and all different characters would act differently. It's not so cool. Oh, Lala just got off stage. Wow, that was so difficult. At the backstage, you have to be familiar with all the characters because everyone has different gestures and different personality. The way they walk or just the hand gestures is all different. I really recommend everyone to come give this a try. Immerse yourself with the traditional art. Say bye, Lala. Hope the kids have fun today.